Hi all, welcome back to the channel. So I've just popped down to Seacombe, just on a bike ride. I'm going to carry on to Woodside, if I can be bothered. But I just noticed a ship just over the water, just at the pier edge. I'm just going to zoom in, have a little look. Not too sure what that one is. Comment down below if you do know. Right, let's get back to the bike ride. So, just rode down to Woodside. I'm just outside the ventilation shaft for the Birkenhead tunnel. I think this one is. My dad used to work on the tunnels for a long time, 30 odd years. So yeah, really tall building this one. Let's pan back up again. Pretty high. Right, just going to move your way down to Woodside Ferry terminal and have a little look what's going on. Back in a second. Paul Grady. And here we are at Woodside Ferry terminal. So as you've probably seen on other videos, the drone terminal is being refurbished, as you'd say. Not too sure when it's due to be completed, but I do know they're working on a new ferry, which is due to... Sorry about the noisy bike. Due to be finished, I think it's this year, isn't it? Something like that. That should be good.